KP's Kingdom, cooking with KP, and today, nice little traditional one. We're going to cook you a beautiful Balkan peasant type dish. Okay, simple. We've got a cabbage, also known as kupus in Balkan, and we're just going to cut this up roughly into nice chunks like I'm doing right there. You don't need to see me cut a whole head of cabbage up into little tiny pieces, so I'm just going to give you a rough rundown. Cut those up roughly however big or small you want. Put that straight into your crock pot or your slow cooker, just like I'm doing there. We're going to add in maybe 1.5 onions straight over the top like that, and I'm going to add in 1 massive ham hock. This is really funny because everything is so over the top. We're going to put in around about a cup, maybe a cup and a half's worth of water. We're going to try and put the lid on in a moment, but as you can see, nothing's really going to fit properly. We're going to put that onto high and let that sit for a little bit. As you can see, the cabbage is reduced a little bit. I'm going to add in around about 2 to 3 cups worth of some chicken stock. That can go straight in over the top, and we're just going to let this thing cook for at least 4 to 5 hours. A couple of hours in, we're going to add in some carrots that we've just really roughly chopped. Put that lid back on and let it continue on its way. Right, I've got a little bit of potato. This is around about 2 hours from when we're going to serve. Just cube those up nice and small. A little bit of freshly ground black pepper that can go in. We don't need any salt. That ham is salty enough, and so is the chicken stock. I am going to add in a little bit of garlic powder over the top, just like that. And again, put that lid on, walk away, and just let the thing cook. This is what I love about a slow cooker. Right, we've been about half an hour away from serving. We're going to take out that ham hock. We're going to strip the meat off the bone. Just make sure if there's any little daggy bits like there was there, we take that out. So simply strip all that meat off the bone like that. And if you haven't tried playing with a ham hock before or cooking with a ham hock before, you don't know what you're missing. The meat is so beautiful, tender, not overly salty. Now make sure we cut this up into nice little pieces like that. Throw that straight in on top of that cabbage, potato and carrot. Right, how simple is this to do? And this is perfect for one of those winter weekends where it's absolutely freezing and you don't know what to cook and you don't want to sit over the top of a fry pan for hours and hours. Make sure you stir everything through like I'm doing right there, and before you know it, we're ready to serve. We don't need to serve anything else with this or add anything additional flavors or ingredients. Just simply spoon that out straight into a nice big bowl like I'm doing right there, and before you know it, you've got this amazing peasant style food, this beautiful cabbage and ham hock. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. Really do appreciate it. If you like this video, hit that like button. Gives me confidence. Should make you feel warm and fuzzy too. Share this video with all your friends on all platforms and social media. We're trying to get the name of Cabbage Kingdom out there. Hit that notifications bell. You'll be notified every time a new video goes up. More importantly, if you want to learn something that my family traditions from generations and my wife's generations go back, well, you need to come and join the family, my family. Hit that subscribe button and you'll never miss another one of my videos again. I'm off to this beautiful peasant style cabbage and ham hock meal, and I will catch you next time.